right, we are getting ready to head to, where we going?
LA Fair! LA Fair!
LA County Fair. Mama Bear is driving. We are getting ready to leave LA County Fair in Pomona, California. Here we come. On the road to Cali. Las Vegas. We'll be back. See you in a couple days. Raiders Stadium. We're in Cali now, passing Baker, headed to our old stomping grounds in Barstow, but I don't know if y'all can see that thermometer right there. It's like 96 degrees, but we are on the road. Cali, good Death Valley. We going back to Cali. She cruising, so I'm just trying to relax. You know what that means.
Just getting to the hotel-y. Yo. I might go swimming. It's really nice out here.
Alright, so
Sweet. Walking in. We only in Tampa tonight.
So we're at the Azure Hotel. Looking cute. Alright, so we just got to our room. We're staying at the Azure. I've never seen this before, like the separation. That's kind of cool. Here. Oh, there's a little pool area down there. Nice little courtyard space. A nice little spot just for the night, you know. We made it. Alright, so we stopped here at Ontario Mills before the county fair just to get something to eat because we've been driving all day and we haven't eaten nothing, so we're hungry. We used to come here all the time when we lived in Barstow.
Got his noodles. My favorite snapper. Oh, that's yummy.
Yummy, yeah. Can't wait to eat.
Pulling up to the fair. Bite-sized fair. Walking implements. Tickets. I have tickets, so we go this way.
Oh, you got the bites. We made it to the LA County Fair.
Gracias por visitar a nuestra Bite Size Fair. Esperamos verlos de nuevo cuando la Feria del Condado de Los Ángeles regrese a sus raíces este próximo año, del 5 al 30 de mayo del 2022.
Welcome to Bite Size Fair, an LA County Fair food, ride, and shopping experience.
She got a strawberry smoothie. Yeah. Enjoying their Dippin' Dots. Over here at Dippin' Dots. Thank you. I got a Krispy Kreme burger. We got 2 Krispy Kreme donuts, cheese, and donuts. Man, that's crazy. Over here. All right, ready for the elephant ride?
Yeah!
All right, good luck. You ready? Yeah. Oh my God, move your foot. Oh yeah, we're going up now.
Oh yeah!
We're going up. Woo!
Yeah!
We're going high. We high. Whoa, whoa, whoa. You high? Woo! Big fun.
Alright. Playing to win a prize. Mike wants to go on the Ferris wheel.
Going up the Goliath slide. Up, up, and up. Woo, look at them go, look at them go, look at them go, look at them go. Alright, go ahead, good luck. Wait. Do it hard. Alright, that one you go first. Alright. Wait! Woo! High five. Alright, you got a prize. Elijah, high five. I didn't think he was gonna get it. I'm so happy. Alright. Yay. Good job, guys. Which one? What color you like? Pick one. Alright, ready? Look at the camera. Ready?
Yeah.
Alright, ready. Ready. So we're here at the courtyard of the hotel, just checking it out. It's pretty nice. Going to the pool area. All right, we're checking out this morning. You guys had fun yesterday at the fair in the pool? Yeah, there's the view from our room, the pool, jacuzzi right there. We had a great time here in Pomona. She was super happy to go see her old stomping ground and everything. And then, about to hit the road. Pomona, Ontario. We'll be back. Alright, so this is where we're stopping to eat breakfast today. Molly Brown's Country Cafe here in Hesperia, California. This little truck right here is a long line outside of people waiting. So we gotta wait about 40 minutes, but hopefully it's pretty good. Hungry. Drove an hour to get here. Alright, so our food just came through here at Molly Brown. We got the French toast, pancakes, hash browns. The boys got French toast. Everything looks so good, we can't wait to dig in. Like volunteering to try. Yeah. You know what that can. Yeah. Yeah, she got this, okay. Got me hold it on. Headed back to Vegas. Alright, so we're headed to the 7 Magic Mountains. On the way to Vegas, we see these colorful rocks on the side of the highway, so we decided to stop and check it out. Closer now. Let's see. Now the rocks. Just lay down. It's pretty cool. So we're here just taking some pictures. The boys, you guys digging this spot so far?
Yeah, we are ice cream.
And they're probably gonna try to pick her up and do a picture right over here. See, it's a nice little spot though.